Hindi ko alam na ganun yung performance niya.
Let's do this.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. What's the smell?
I love it.
You love it. I know, like that.
love it.
Okay.
Ba't ang
Inhale.
bilis sa akin?
Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. All right. Very good. Very good. Let's go here. Let's go back here. I will measure your breath. Okay. Inhale deep. Oh my God, it's too strong. It's too strong. Exhale. Oh.
Hindi ka talagang may prepare eh. Hindi ka gigising ng umaga tapos i-expect na 6 hours later may bayag na sa mukha mo eh. Alam mo yun?
Mas nakakatawa kasi yung nilalapit niya tapos nilalayo yung mukha sa titi niya. Pero nilalapit niya pa rin.
You inhale strong, ha? Another one. Inhale. Oh.